So in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can use the app Educreations to create flipped classroom or flipped instruction content. So on my iPad, I'm going to launch Educreations. This is one of the things you'll want to first do is to create an account on any browser. Go to educreations.com, create an account. Then when you launch the app, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Once there, this is what you'll see is the dashboard. I'm going to bypass all the other options, just go straight to creating a video. You see the plus sign on the upper left corner. When you tap on that, you're given a whiteboard. Here you can write your lesson. If it's an instruction that you're giving on, for example, multiplication, you can do all the work here, record yourself. The first thing you'll need to do is hit that record button. So I'm going to, that little microphone. Before that though, let me show you some other features. The plus sign over here on the right, I'm tapping that. You can add text, you can import a picture from your photos library, and you could also take a picture. So if it's, say for example, a dissection of a frog, or we're looking at rocks, I can take pictures outside. If it's a diagram a student has created, we can take a picture of it, we can dissect it, dissect the diagram. I think you get the picture. Over on the top right corner, you have two options. The plus sign there with the paper, you can duplicate what you're working on. And then on the upper far right, you can choose different types of backgrounds to suit your needs. So you line paper, graph, and coordinate grids for. So whatever content you're working on, choose your background. I'm going to stick with the plain white background. And if you notice, you have 5 set colors. You have a pen, you have an eraser. If you don't like those colors, you can tap on a color and reset it. So you see there's no green, maybe I'll add green there. So right now what I'm going to do is tap on that microphone to start my recording. So this, what you're looking at, is a recording within a recording. So let's say we're going to work on math problem. Let's try that again. There we go. 3 times 3. So I'm going to represent that. I'm going to use some shapes. So we have 3. So I'm going to create 3 groups of 3. This is representing 1, 2, 3 times, and I'm just going to put like an X, or 3 times 3, so I'm going to count those, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I see that 3 times 3 equals 9. Very crude, but you can kind of get the picture. Once you're complete with your lesson demonstration, you can hit that undo button, which is that curved arrow going to the left. I'm going to pause. What I'm going to do is hit that arrow within that box. That will take me back to my dashboard. I can save the draft, save the finished video. I'm going to choose save the finished video. It's going to ask me for a title. I'm just going to call this demonstrate multiplication. Save it. So there's my demonstration lesson. If I tap on it, it will play. What I want to do now is I want to share it with my students. So I'm going to hit select. And when I tap on the lesson, the education video that I created, I can either trash it or see that share button. The save video, I can save it to my own iPad, but that is for the pro version. There's a pro version of this. I'm using the free. Free is good. What I can do is save the link. Let me try that again. So you can see it says link copied. So now I can use that link and share it with my students. So if I'm using, for example, Google Classroom, Edmodo, any other type of platform, learning platform, I can share it with my students that way, so they can watch it at home beforehand and then be prepared for the class the next day. So kind of a quick run through of how to create a video and then how you can share that video with your students by using a link all in Educreations. So until next time, just again, check out Educreations. It's got its advantages there, so it's free. It's always good. So we'll talk to you soon. Take care.